UB hair products one so what boy ye pa ama ye de entertainment filler edia bro ene enwumre minua ba aye krado wa ha ne ho aye fe ye pa na or the entertainment filler ide ba me per 6 tune ya me hu ba bia 6 tune na mo a me nso me nam ho
me
per 6 tune no
you gotta play it for me, Black. You gotta play it for me, Black. Nobody that is telling me about important things, so like I just tap into the accent and I'm just giving it to you any way you want it. Yeah, you know, if you've not traveled before, it doesn't mean you cannot speak the accent and all that.
I don't do kind of.
Excuse me.
I don't do kind of.
You got to talk about that and all that. Sister Sandy Neka say mean too kind that. Men kwa brochure that was it.
Ukoko rano eno wachi rana okasa.
Nah, wait, let me finish this announcement. Mean too kind that men kwa brochure that.
Okay.
Wa home come.
Sir.
Say bibi any sister no or a guy, but on too kind that the guy level in see no.
That's right.
I'm on the for mon frère wate. Mon frère 0272 818 536 0272 818 536 because be did that brochure tata me ain't me master metina hasada enti atiefo enka wakoma na honhom wiase no nyankopon ne make asa sister bi oh Europe oh Jesus I don't want to go me who Germany is it Frankfurt me who Germany me say who UK me etining na amra
who ashama we inside of it
o say
who ashama we inside of it
me kokomnim ni kwa na meti na ashama nem ko ho eden
okay Sister Sandy be a guy there entertainment
Black, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing fine.
I really want to practice and all that, so when I get to New York City, I can keep it all cool and down, you know.
Yeah, that is downtown Manhattan.
What?
Downtown Manhattan. What no akwa kodi pizza or everyone pa no benya pizza ni okro stew.
Nensem nini.
Yo, Mate.
Nini animu. And happy birthday and come me dofubi. I love him so much. So when I'm Black.
I love you so much.
So wait. Happy birthday to the love of my life.
Okay.
Happy birthday to my heartbeat.
Hey.
Happy birthday to my man crush every day.
Hey.
Mr. Sonny William Moheme, me papa. Me papa, I drink free entertainment. Me papa, I drink free entertainment for you.
That's all.
Happy birthday, come on, papa. Papa no.
Who himself, papa ni vice president? They did the same baby.
Oh wow, that my dad is so special.
Yeah, I know, right?
You know what? I really got to practice and all that.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, he's in Kumasi. Yo, shout out to you, daddy. He's my G.
I know, right?
Me G, no, me don't capuchin. Papa, I'm not too rough. Me papa just a guy.
That's right.
We'll say Krub near Branty.
I tell you.
See, happy birthday, Dad, Sonny. I love you so much, so much. It's an maybe atum send no Facebook comments. May metal question of the day so that you be reading it, you know.
Okay.
Black, when a girl, press lab watch. I said Black. I'm late today, just closed from work. I'm enjoying the show. Near Black, see how I late today. Oh, Black, Paris, Nibia drop him. My number here 0272 818 536.
Best at European tour every Paris.
We gotta start it from Paris. Ça va?
Yeah. Ça va bien, merci.
Et toi?
Oh, et toi?
Je m'appelle Sister Sandy.
Et vous?
C'est la vie.
Oh, chérie, c'est le petit bonheur.
Oh non, Shinginaza.
C'est mon gros poste, non?
Non, quel est tel, man?
Regardez, mais d'à travailler.
Non, pardon.
Non, pardon. Non, au point où ben.
Oui, mais encore Paris, ni bien possible. On te met quand French 3x4 we ni mechi sa. Abroche ni esre, intinu be kan say di mechi be bounce.
Mate waka.
Sinichwa ni boni say eton era. Kasetu buin. Good. Yawo eton era. Say na say oyo ba na wan koye wo ton. Emema na mfrɛ.
Samo.
Me to flat, me to is late. But still na at least me na kwa kubere bi di obeyes. Well I know. Wa hu, intino ma wani nje ho.
I dey lie be.
I say sinitwa for na omo ton na omo ye you. Say eton police me chi bi dada. Masachi sinitwa ni bi wakoye ne to.
Na eya de dey na omo di gu omo tunu.
Ya what types your method. Ya what dey nkuto be fa oto ho a, ya dey port hye.
Okay.
E be shout na e much. Now tonight you crew be 3 weeks on say. And no na black your panie. Panie no so ye be wo to no be so aso a. And san your pills and your massage.
Wow.
It's girls no omo bre. Na me bisa mo say nti atade a obehye nti na wo ye wo to ana adwumam. So ni madwuma no. You know the work. You know inside your bedroom say hallelujah.
Okay.
Good. It's me nim say mu dia he na ma girls pressure koya ba tini twani ameka wo metu. O mama mienu. O kunu ni kunu abrochire. Girl na we fashionista pop dress mpa.
Okay.
But me money din say. Me money din. Ma shada reach out to her on Instagram so when follow me crani. Evidence ni. Be hume na me hu ha me kan asem na enye ya. Be who me che say oh me nya feel na me pese me tell side of the story e bia na ya atesem it is sister de matini o sister standing ampa e bia squatting bia mai it me de to na me ma 1 week na wa ma me who me say oh sister me feel nya ampa na me je din nim and na me kan say sini twani bia kobobo si odike o be who me and on say asam na ntisa and all the evidence by na say entro no bi ede e twa to ne so nti be who me
o ma me hu
sini twani ya wo no
enya na ne din ibi wo mu no
we a guy we who chaso oh chaso be ya spell it no black oh
ba enno
so dia dia sell cream ni me won see any bo mate ase o inseku no when no sope e bi nka
mate kasa
o sa wo pro ho kakra na
mate kasa
we still planning to go to New York City and all that course, so you don't really got to do that you know
mate kasa
I'm going to make friends outside the country and you don't really have to do all that and all that shout out to Nabedi there he's streaming us live on Facebook and shout out to African he's doing the main do today and shout out to Eugenia Simpson
and to Papa Bill
to Papa Bills
that's it
original double the action
now unim say na your Dorcas Opare birthday
no let me see
Dorcas Opare our Church of Pentecost Tema Committee 1 English Assembly Dorcas Opare happy birthday come
on me see na birthday
Matthias
Nash Abdnan wo Facebook is it your problem no it's not but is it yours no it's not but is it yours that's not even chele sao but top 10 veteran actors am who say afiomo e wo industry be bobodin dia wa fe no na Facebook so wa comment ni din na mama na makan banse na wo be share mama
okay
say be abedi de nsan no adwuma be so awade ani
that's right
ni odi kan Grace Naughty so okay mami veteran actors actresses Grace Naughty okay na o chesi ni Judas on Santo Judas Santo Joni ho Judas akofa esiedu hey mami so no one for Augustine Abbey Idi Coco Lato Lobe bebe
oh Idi Coco the real name
the real name the Augustine Abbey
okay
ni the pan Edinam attached do you remember that lady no 90s baby say Eugenia mom Edinam attached once now a guy who 80s since we are 90s bisa na nasa hwan Edinam attached
that's right
why
that's right
okay and Bob Smith Jr. ni pakro Diabolo Tao
as well
and I'm Mami Dokun obviously Brew Riverson Jr.
Okay.
Hey Mekai those days Brew Riverson telenovela and Anabedi demo Kasama B Brew Riverson was the age then Charlie every girl was in love with Fernando Hussein Ningina e Brew Riverson ya fene pa no fa so she wini by so try there hono Rose Mensa che wo timi trust ni 1 to 10 Kofi Edu Ejako ain't no yeah mabubo mudin top 10 ni why no afe no the wife ni bia o de comment mama kan comments ni bi Francisco or Sister Sandy I want to invite you to Ukraine just love you keke wow you got a number babe just me you know and Richard Capsio say Idi Coco I miss him wow Richmond no say happy birthday to Gifty and Peduja boa okay this girl talked to me of course the work is talking were you expecting me to come and sing baby
no
and
I'm boxing yes
I gotta talk and I like a friend no money Mike I like thanks for watching actually
most definitely
and share for me Mike
most definitely
who can't Dora Ankra okay I think it's been solved Bernardo Usu also I feel my dokno
Okay.
This woman girl, at least you know the name. I'm the woman hit maker.
Yeah.
Ajua Kwame or say Ejako.
Okay.
Kwesi Hamon or say Kofi Edu. Abubakis or say how are you? I'm doing well, baby. Kwame Echampon. Ejako was everything, darling.
Okay.
San Spirit or say Edinam Atachi.
Okay.
Most
definitely. Rosalie Mensah also say Ejako. And Blessed Franklin can come to say, oh, invite you about United Kingdom.
Wow, that's the ish.
Yeah.
Like, let me speak. Let me do some UK accent so that he will know when I come out, not disappoint. Oi, how you doing, man? I'm feeling and all that. What you say, man? Anna Black, Anna is a.
Me person come here Puma LPM.
Puma energy. Oh, mama petrol ni me.
Into Oslangi, Oslaria.
Okay.
What's Larry?
Masle area.
And yeah, Nanka kanu Puma, Benye Puma, Puma. Puma energy.
Oh, I don't know they can Puma. Never any more.
Puma energy. And no any papa no say open fuel attack. Puma energy. Abed Fatu is Puma energy. One more reduce one more fuel prices, to serve you well, to serve you better. And it is a ubu fuel, baby, and I make sure say baby, I want Gina air to fuel no a Puma energy branch. And I did the crown said, your side say ya take your fuel no so now baby, I Puma energy no. Osa kona ojik Puma card no. Now anytime you out of the Puma card in a bar, also to me 1% discount on any amount. What to me this kind of day? I shall cash free convenience as well.
Like
Puma
that.
card and no any account for the amount. Puma energy for the Puma energy branch bia na kobu diesel, kobu o petrol.
Obviously, I don't know. Kwashe was in the studio with OP Dins.
Yeah, that was last week, right?
I think Martin, that's the reason.
But weekend they had the four share.
Okay.
And Paswa Goodie Corso. But thank God says, they say Ghana for any be. They say the driving protected. You need those love condom and no any papa. You need those love condom. Ubembe matino name now who can more peerful and fanka obetino now won't say what's on them heavy one part. You need those love condom. I'm 5 million bar. Fantastic, Magini Dean. You need those love condom. You drugstore and a pharmacy shop near area mono. Ubenya, you need those love condom. Papa pie now to CSB at the Dean to form for 0554. 825010. Unidus Love Condom is she pasenia UB hair product and no any papa. Yeah, come for Edia Mobi Pia. UB hair product. So 3 when send you Tibiano, UB hair relaxer, UB gel, UB oil sheen. Ebe provided that smoothness, that softness, that shyness with 3 here ankasa. And don't bright now UB hair relaxer, UB gel, ni UB oil sheen. Chow mini abamu who see NSCP na esita pa. Join the family today, Viniaba. You be one more.
Okay, so Black Woman Hitmaker, I gotta get out of here. And because I'm planning on the trip, I really wanna practice and make perfect. So when I get there, excuse me. Like you mean I gotta get up. I'm the woman Hitmaker. I'm Tirinelli Brace Natural Hair Salon or Medina and and all that. So I gotta get out of here. I love you all on Facebook.
Definitely.
Thanks for tuning in. See you same time tomorrow. And we out of here. Okay, Mommy Boza. Boza, we talk for a living.
I know, right? Okay, this is the end of